At the Dili International Trade Expo 2025, held at the Dili Convention Center in Timor-Leste over 5 days, Timorese companies were given the opportunity to introduce their first local products to the world.
Itania produto itania nalara liba pasimile organic unira. Ya ka agora down ami hauna distributor lukida ba yelausa lukida kanesan lisung kreatif fura que nomos karya loza de maka dadamnya ami la fase negosiação bori halo karisira maka tu distribui ami ni produção erasik damba dadamnya la fase.
The Deputy Director of Borigra Star Unipassoal Limited, Timor-Leste, Eno Galucho, said their participation represents them as a local producer that has been producing organic sugar under the name Nira.